According to the Constitution of Pakistan, who has the authority to grant pardon? Answer: President of Pakistan. Explanation: under Article 45 of the Constitution of Pakistan, the President has the authority to grant pardon, reprieve, or commute a sentence. What is meant by curriculum transaction? Answer: implementation or delivery of curriculum in the classroom. Explanation: curriculum transaction refers to the process through which teachers implement the curriculum using teaching methods, activities, and assessments. What is formative assessment? Answer: assessment conducted during the learning process. Explanation: formative assessment is used to monitor student progress and provide feedback during instruction to improve learning. Novel Ag Qadariya Kisne likha? Answer: Qurratulain Hyder. Explanation: the famous Urdu novel Ag Qadariya was written by Qurratulain Hyder and is considered a masterpiece of Urdu literature. Idiomatically, go in for means: answer, to participate in or take interest in. Explanation: the idiom go in for means to take part in something or have a liking for it. Convert the sentence into passive voice. I must leave now. Answer: it must be left by me now. Explanation: in passive voice, the structure becomes must plus be plus past participle. How many moles of FeSO4 are oxidized by 1 mole of KMnO₄ in acidic medium? Answer: 5 moles. Explanation: in acidic medium, 1 KMnO₄ molecule oxidizes 5 Fe2+ ions to Fe3+, hence 5 moles are oxidized. In group 2 hydroxides, which compound is insoluble in water? Answer: MgOH2. Explanation: magnesium hydroxide is sparingly soluble, while solubility increases down the group. Which compound is electron-deficient? Answer: B₂H₆. Explanation: diborane B₂H₆ is electron-deficient because boron has only 6 electrons around it, so it forms unusual bonding. Which of the following is a tribasic acid? H₃PO₄, H₃PO₄, H₃PO₂, H₂PO₂. Answer: H₃PO₄. Explanation: phosphoric acid, H₃PO₄, contains 3 ionizable hydrogen atoms, so it is a tribasic acid. How many moles of Fe2+ ions can be oxidized by 1 mole of KMnO₄ in acidic medium? Answer: 5 moles. Explanation: the balanced reaction shows that 1 KMnO₄ molecule oxidizes 5 Fe2+ ions, hence 5 moles are oxidized.